Hello, Sweathearts. Welcome to tutorial for DJ Dolly Play by Mara. This is one of our old school Zumba jams, so let's get started. We're going to start with this little V step with open arms. So we go right, left, that repeats. The arms are serve, serve, hit, hit, push, 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 push. So together it goes out, out, back, back, push, 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 again, up, up, in, push, 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 push. We're going to do this throughout the whole dance, sometimes 2 times, sometimes 4 times. Let's get right into the chorus. Arm comes, right arm comes up, left arm comes down, and we're going to hop around and pull up that right leg. We come around, 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach that right arm across, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite arm, now left arm's up, left knee is working. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left arm across, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, right arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We push right, push left. Right arm, left arm, down, up. And we throw that. So we just did a little side step, arm, arm, down, up. You can really go up with that. Let's see the chorus facing the front. We come here, open up those arms, and we take it around. Right leg works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, side, mas, 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 yes. Great. Verse 1. We're going to slide over to the right. Arms come out to the side, and they come up with the left knee, up, up. And it's a little bit of a hop. So we slide and up, up. Arms don't come all the way down. We just pump, pump, and we keep that left leg in the air. So it comes together, and we slide back. This time, the right knee comes up, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right into up, up, and push, 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 up, up, and push, 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 push. Either 2 times or 4 times, depending on what verse you are. Let's see those 2 put together right into the chorus. We slide to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and serve it. Push, 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 push. Serve, V step back, back, push. 2 more times. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach, lunge, reach. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just slide 1 side. Mas, 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 up. Great. Next section we're going to learn comes a couple times throughout the piece. Again, the feet go out, out, plie, down, jump, back. Arms are both to the right, both to the left, down and up. You're really using those blades. Hit, hit, down and up. So we go 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Pa, 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 ta, 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 ta. Let's see that face in the front. We go. Hit, hit, down, up. Hit, hit, down, up. Hit, hit, down, up. Hit, hit, down, up. To repeat, serve, serve. Hit, hit, push, push, 4, 4, and chorus. Great. So like every song, we're going to have a little bit of a bridge, a little bit of a booty action here. So we've done the chorus 3 times through. On the 3rd time, we do the DJ Dolly play where it reaches 2 full cycles. And then we have this bridge. Walking up to the mirror, we start with the right foot. Free arms, right, left, left. And we're going to pick up that left knee and hit, 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 hit to repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times. And we're going to bring the feet out. And we're going to tap, 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 tap. And really shake the booty as fast as you can. Arms are going to come up. Arms are going to come down. And there's a little break in the music. And we're going to hit a pause. And then we're going to start one more time with the slices. Let's see that walk and bridge up to the front. We just came around our second time. Side, mas, mas, bridge, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, pony, pop, 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 pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, 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 tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, 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 tap. And shake, 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 shake. Arms come up. Shake, 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 shake. Arms come down and hold. To go slice, slice, down and up. One more time, 4 of those. Right back into our first verse with the double knee pull for 4. And then we have our serve, serve, slice, slice. 3 more. 3, pa, ta, ta. 2, and hit, 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 and 1, ta. Chorus, one more time, 2 times through. Let's show it 1 time. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's redo this the second time through. Side, mas, mas, mas. And for a breather, we're going to end with our serving V-step. 4, 4. Pa, pa, pa. 5, 6, 7, 8. That is all the choreography for DJ Dolly played by Mara. Let's dance it.